working here?
Carlo.
Only Carlo?
Huh?
Huh?
Wow.
Jesus Christ.
What?
Yeah, they're hard.
I have a strong man here. Look.
Strong-minded because I'm using my head, dude. I'm too old, man. I feel broken. When I was young, I was able to take this out like nothing. Now you see me struggling. What happened, buddy? Watch how the jack is there.
Oh, what is that?
That's the brake. We're replacing the rotors
Placing the
And-
motors. What's this?
the pads again because I put brand new pads. The Motorcraft one, the one it brings, but then the rotors were kind of old, so it started making noise. So now I'm doing the whole rotors. Ari, come on, it's gonna get late, Papa. So there ain't no time to play.
There's this. What do you see?
See, I gotta get the thing now to clean this.
Here's your mirror.
But there we go.
Hi. There's Carlo doing the rotors.
Yeah,
There's your
Carlo.
This was nice.
Brand new. Look here. Shiny car, huh, Carlo?
Shiny brakes.
What we have to do tomorrow? What we have to do tomorrow?
Ari,
What?
talk here. I'm recording. What are we doing here with Papa?
Fixing the car.
Yes?
Almost done.
So what we doing, people? Fixing the rotors or what?
Yep.
Carlo?
So, Mama's side, you need grease?
It's kind of hard here.
I don't want to get a copyright.
You don't want to get a copy of it?
I don't want to get a copyright of that music. 'Cause there's this
House. Somebody is listening.
one. I don't want to get a copyright.
All right, people, YouTube, man.
And here, the old one.
Very bad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guess what?
Guess what, guys?
Guess what, guys? Brandon Urie is my favorite artist.
All right.
Brandon Urie.
What happened to Panic at the Disco?
He is.
That's the band that Robert said.
That's the
Oh.
band, but
That's the band Panic at the Disco, but Brandon is the singer.
yep.
D. Like a poppy. You know? Caption, people. Do I have caption, people?
What do you mean?
Like, do I have English auto generator? English. Do I have caption, people?
Do you?
You're recording this on HD or what, Mama? 'Cause
Brand new. Looks so nice, Ari.
here's Mama.
Here is Mama.
Hi.
Hi. Don't step on Papa's tools, Ari.
And right there,
Right there. Yeah.
there's Mama. Mwah.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna put the pads now.
Yep.
Yep.
There's Mama.
Yes.
Gonna kiss me.
And there is Ari. special treatment.
Changing more and more, and they keep adding more
So
stupidity that we
cool.
gotta do just to make it harder for us.
running. There is running.
On this right here, so the pads don't get stuck.
They're sitting on the front end.
Yeah.
Vangelis was driving a truck. I don't know. Is that a Toyota Tundra, Mama?
I don't know.
Smells like Vangelis' truck. It has the front only. By the way, Brandon Yerry's my favorite artist.
There we go.
I was like, hey, Brandon Yerry.
Did you talk to him?
He sent me a video.
He sent you a video. Oh, Ari.
Brand new, my people.
My people.
And again, new
Look at this.
Motocraft pads, the original. That's twice.
Wow.
Can't believe I wasted my money the first time because these rotors were no good. I would have known.
There's some trees.
I would have known. But these right here, brand new. There you go. Nice though.
The vent was on top. Why?
Yeah.
No, Mama. Stand up one, right?
Stand up.
Right, people? What are you doing, people?
People.
Was actually a stand-up one, Mama?
No.
It was. Right? And
Make sure I don't put this wrong, man.
2015 government.
It goes like that. Almost messed that up.
They even give you dinner, man. You know?
A lot of people don't know about that, but this is supposed to move like this. And in some
Are you
cars,
recording,
it's so
Mama?
stuck, it's
Yes,
not
I
even
am.
funny.
So, people, here's the thing, people. The 2013 Goodman ain't running. General Electric ain't running. Frigidaire ain't running. There's
There we go, I believe it's in. Yep.
oh, that's a lawnmower. Huh?
Even I don't know how many horsepower.
You don't know? There's your fan vent. 3.5 liter V6.
It is going away, Ari. What? Bad.
Why they turned it on, people?
Why?
Guys,
Why you think they turn it on?
guys. Peter had
Got a lot of tires, thank God.
a 27.
I rotate.
I mean, 07 American Standard 3-ton.
They're brand new. Come on.
12 years old.
Last year when you put the tires.
Right thing.
I
Whoa.
wanted 100 comments plus a comment from Diesel Doocy and the elevator channel and Candy Cart. You know that, guys?
Yeah?
So send comments to Diesel Doocy, the elevator channel, the Candy Cart, all that. You know?
Monse record maybe? How about Monse record?
And how about Brandon area about the high hopes?
We have new brakes, new...
And momentarily, we're gonna drive the car, so we're gonna get that video in a minute.
Okay. We're gonna
Temp.
drive the car, see how it is.
Momentarily. I wanna get that video.
Hold on. Good job. Good job, you boys.
big boys.
Big boys, good job. Hard working guys here.
We're gonna get the video driving the car momentarily.